was thinking fucking mount my water on the roof too somehow, but nah, it's not necessary.
Is better. It's very bright.
It is, yeah. The sun's very harsh. There's no clouds to break it up.
Yes, yeah. This is a good setting though. So here we are at Mugera Dam. Joshi and I were gonna go fishing now and see if we can catch a nice big yellow belly for our dinner today. Do you feel confident, Joshi?
Oh, well, I'm not usually pretty lucky, but I reckon we'll catch something at least.
I just don't know what we do if we do catch something, you know?
Panic.
Panic!
What do we do?
It's a good looking spot. It's the rod. And a big chunky lure. So we're not messing around here. We are going for a big boy. The water level has risen drastically. This is way more than before.
All that rain we had, apparently all the dams went up.
Well, yeah, I mean, this is at least half a meter higher than what it was before. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to the channel. Here we are at the Mugera Dam. Joshi and I are just trying to catch a fish here and see if we can have ourselves a nice little dinner, but also enjoying this amazing scenery here at Mugera Dam. Clearly one of the most maintained dams here in Queensland, at least that I've been to, and it's just got this amazing vibe. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, have a good time. Close call. Like this.
Ooh.
Oh, that's it looks bigger when it goes up like that.
It's got a bit of weight to it.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, nice and free.
Okay. Oh, it's gotta be a little depressing for that fish.
Yeah, a little bit. It's like, we caught the fish, what do we do now?
Toss them back in. I don't know. Feels like
if we can get service, we could watch videos on how to fillet a fish.
Joshi boy. How we doing?
Good. Yeah. A little hungry though.
Yeah?
Yeah, still.
Hey.
down there's like a walkway where the water sprays out.
Yeah.
I wonder how often they have to like replace like the metal and stuff to just get water to water.
Oh yeah. That's, yeah.
And anything going, any fish coming out there, like cars and everything going
Bloody hell.
fly out.
That's true. Oh man, this place is pretty epic looking. It's not looking easily accessible, I must admit. Oh wow. It's pretty dense. Clearing? Nice, that's looking good. No fishing there, but it's pretty.
Yeah.
What is that orange crap there?
Yeah, it's a floaty of some sort.
Ah, of course there is. We might want to bring that back with us because it's ruining this amazing scene. Pretty.
I thought it was a little bit roughy.
Well, I don't think this is the main one. I feel like there's more to it later. But we can't really cross this, can we?
Yeah, it showed that it was a bit thicker, eh?
Yeah. I don't think this is the main creek or the main river. Guys, thank you so much for joining us in this video. I know this has been a very short one, but we just kind of wanted to cover some of the scenery around Mugera Dam and you know, just remember it in its best light. Always looking forward to going back to Mugera Dam and fishing and camping over there. For more info, you can check out Yarramalong campsite on Google, or yeah, just Google Mugera Dam surrounding area. And for fishing, make sure you have a permit, I guess, because it is a dam. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one.